Hi everyone, I am Eve the Medium, and today I will be giving you 10 characteristics of the envious person. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, it is a great pleasure to be back with you all. Today I have for you the English version of the previous video, the 10 characteristics of the envious person, how to detect them. This video goes hand in hand with the previous video that I had uploaded, which was the video on the evil eye. The evil eye goes hand in hand with an envious person, a jealous person, someone who is bothered by what you have achieved, what you have gained in life. Most likely an envious person is a friend, an ex-friend, or even a family member. Yes, it can even be a family member that is jealous of you, that has not been able to achieve what you have achieved with your hard work, and it bothers them that you have climbed the ladder of success. Now, without further delay, we are going to the 10 characteristics of an envious person, so you can learn how to detect them and keep your eyes open. Number 1, an envious person will always think that everything you do is to bring them down, that you are trying to throw shade at them, that if you have purchased a car and you show it to them and you say, oh well, look at my car, this is my new car, this is what I just purchased with that money that came in, or the new job that I have, they will always think that anything you show them or anything you tell them, you're saying it in a negative way. So this is the first characteristic that you should be looking out for in an envious person. Number 2, the envious person always thinks that all your posts on social media are about them. Again, that you're throwing shade at them. Oh, but look what this person wrote, I bet that was directed at me. They always have that insecurity that you are attacking them with your posts, with your comments, anything you write. If you put a picture, they are putting this picture to make it seem that they are doing better than me, to show me that they are doing better than me. This is again insecurity, a sign of insecurity. A jealous person, an envious person is giving signs of insecurity. Number 3, envious person will never congratulate you on anything you have achieved. Ever. It's not in them to be happy for you. If someone tells them that you see the new house that so and so bought, immediately they will say most likely they're selling drugs or doing something illegally, because they didn't have the money and all of a sudden they have all this money and all of a sudden they're buying this house. They will never ever acknowledge or accept that God has blessed you, that most likely you have done something good in life and God has blessed you, or that you are doing something right, that you deserve all the good things that you have in life. They will never acknowledge it to anyone or be happy for you. So this is something else that you should be looking out for. Sign number 4, the envious person will become your number 1 fan. They will follow you on every single one of your social media. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever social media you have, Twitter, they will be there. And they will be the first one seeing your posts. They will be the first one seeing your pictures. And for what reason? To always have something negative to say. If you write a positive comment of something good that has happened in your life, trust me, you're not going to see a comment. You're not even going to see a like. You're not going to see anything. But if you write something negative that has happening or is going on in your life, they'll be the first one to click like. What does that tell you? So that is another thing you should look out for. Sign number 5 of an envious person. The envious person will always blame you for their failures. If things are going bad, especially if it's a family member, if things are going bad in their life, if they're not moving ahead, they will always find a reason, and sometimes something that does not even make sense, to blame you. You will always be the one to blame for whatever is going on in their life. In the meantime, they do not recognize that it's on them, that their life is their responsibility, that they are responsible for what's going on in their life, that maybe they spend too much time focused on yours, and that is why their life is in the back burner and they're not moving ahead, they're not progressing, because they're too focused on your life. But they will always find a way to say, I'm in this situation because of you. Sign number 6. The envious person will always feel as if everything you have taken it from them. This is a very common sign on people that are envious. They always feel entitled to what you have. They feel entitled to what you have achieved in life, the success you have achieved in life. They will hate you for moving up and leaving them behind. Why? Because misery loves company. And if they're miserable, they want you to be miserable. They will never want to accept you moving up and then staying behind. And if you do move up, they want you to drag them with you without putting any effort. They don't care about the sacrifices you have made. They don't care on how much work you have had to put in to get from point A to point B. They just feel entitled to the same blessings that you have, again, without putting any effort. And if you do move ahead, oh, they will hate you. They are going to hate you. And that's one of the reasons why they say it is lonely at the top. Because as soon as you start moving forward, as soon as you start moving up the ladder of success, people start dropping off like flies. And from friends, they turn into haters. Criticizing you, judging you. Look at this person. They used to live in the hood, and now they moved out, and now they think they're better than everybody. As if you do not have a right to the best of life. Everybody does. Everybody has a choice to move ahead or stay in the same place. It's nobody's fault. Sign number 7 of an envious person. An envious person will never, ever admit to being jealous of you. If someone approaches them, a friend, a mutual friend, and tells them, don't you think you're spending too much time on this person's social media, scrolling through, speaking so much about that person in a negative way? Maybe you're jealous of that person. They will say, who, me? Look at me. I have a good life. I'm doing good. They'll come up with every single lie in the book in order not to accept that they're envious of you. They will never, ever admit it. Even though it shows in their reaction, they will never admit it. Sign number 8 of an envious person. The envious person's life will revolve around you, gossiping about you, showing pictures of social media posts about you to anyone and everyone that will listen to them. They will start a conversation with you about something negative about you. They will become detectives, searching on the web everything that has to do about you, taking out of their time and their energy just to focus on you. Sign number 9 of an envious person. An envious person that is a friend or an ex-friend or a family member. Again, as I mentioned, an envious or jealous person could only be someone close to you. Never a stranger, because a stranger will never care what you're doing with your life. A stranger will not search for you on social media. A stranger will not follow you unless you're a celebrity, but will not follow you, will not be so focused in your life, does not care about your past or your present. Only someone that has been close to you will envy you and try to destroy you. A person's jealousy can eat them so much that envy will turn into hate. And that person will even try in different ways to destroy you. We have heard it. There are people that have been killed just because of jealousy. Envious that they have moved up from the situation they were in, that they chose to rise. And some people do hate that. But trust me, you will never be a stranger. At this point, you have to be extremely careful, because there are people that will take it to extreme. Psychic attack, black magic, throwing things your way. These are people that will dedicate their lives to destroy you without you doing anything to them. It's just this jealousy that they have inside for anybody who succeeds, for anybody who rises above them. Sign number 10 of the envious person. An envious person, unfortunately, will always be envious. These are people that no matter how many chances you give them, they will always try to bring you down. I'm one to always say you have to forgive. You forgive, but you have to sometimes cut that person off your life. Because these are people that if you do give them a second and a third chance, if they did not succeed the first time in destroying you, they will succeed the second. So it is very, very important for you to be cautious of these people. An envious person, unfortunately, will not change. If someone has been envious of you, for whatever reason they have chosen, they will always be envious of you. If you want to know if someone has truly changed from being a jealous or envious person, tell them some news about it, even a lie. Tell them, guess what? I just won $100,000 in the lottery. Watch their facial expression. An envious person will take time to react. And why is that? Because they're not used to congratulating you. They're not used to being happy for you. So the reaction will be slow. But yes, sometimes they can react quickly with a what if. What if you lose that money? What if you invest it in the wrong thing? What if they take half of it in taxes? What if you do not know how to manage it? There will always be a what if. But a negative comment will follow. So this is something else you should always look out for. This is also the reason why I'm always telling you guys to protect yourself, to watch your back, to be careful who you trust. There is one thing that my husband always says. You must always be careful who you open your heart to and the door of your home. Unfortunately, sometimes family members come in and out because these are people that we are supposed to trust. Unfortunately, not all family members have our best interests at heart. And again, some people, it just bothers them when you succeed because they feel that you are supposed to drag them along. They do not care how much you've put into it, how much work or sacrifices you have put into it. I don't care because they are selfish. I don't care. He's got to share it with me. And if you don't share, you're the bad guy. I'm always advising, cleanse yourself, protect yourself. Because yes, people will go into extremes, sending you psychic attack, wishing you ill, negative thoughts, cursing you for what is yours, for what you have managed to achieve. They will hate you. So it's your responsibility to protect yourself, watch your back, and remember these 10 characteristics of an envious person. Never forget them. We're in this journey to learn and to protect ourselves. So the conclusion of this video is, keep your eyes open and never ever forget those 10 signs of an envious person. Protect yourself, cleanse yourself, and watch your back. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. God bless you. I love you, and love and light.